This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Diane Powell Realtor, Broker Associate. Recently renovated and redesigned with exquisite features and appointments, this sophisticated 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment with a functional floor plan is all about indoor-outdoor living. All elements and details were completed with perfection. Aside from each room capturing sunlight throughout the day, its overall livability and outstanding architectural elements invite a connection to the outdoor space. Glass doors from the living room and the master suite open seamlessly to the enclosed patio overlooking the sparkling pool, lush landscape and LaPlaya golf course. It is important to note that the total renovation and reconfiguration of the space includes the following improvements and upgrades: new flooring, walls, ceilings, lighting, customized closets and cabinetry, countertops, appliances, electric wiring, LED lights, HVAC, plumbing, bath fixtures, hot water heater, enclosed front and rear patios, hurricane impact windows and doors. This apartment has a deeded carport parking space. Within 3 miles of white sandy beaches, upscale shops, restaurants and the performing arts, this residence is an oasis for year-round and seasonal enjoyment. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Powell Realtor, Broker Associate at 239-537-1720.